Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be, I said that intro is so long. I'm so excited to be back to YouTube, you guys. How are y'all doing? What's up? I can't say you guys didn't miss me because I've been posting Let's try it again. I can't say you guys have missed me because I have been posting consecutively and consistently on my YouTube shorts. And so to all of my new subscribers and new subbies, welcome girls, welcome guys. Thank you guys for so much for subbing and rocking with me and enjoying my new content and new shorts that I have been doing. Enough rambling. This is why I miss YouTube, because I can talk as much as I want to and not be rushed for that 1 minute. So I'm gonna try not to make this video too long. However, I need to reset. I need to get my life together. Y'all know that Malia has had surgery, so I have not been able to take care of myself, like self-care, in the past couple of days. Is this better for you guys, or is like, okay, keep it like this. I need to wax, I need to do my eyelashes, I need to wash my hair, I need to do some makeup, I need to do all of that. So we're gonna do all of that in this video. So if you wanna see that, please keep watching. Don't touch my hair. First thing I want to do is go ahead and plug up my roll-on wax warmer to get that warm while I'm going to do everything else. It takes about 30 minutes to get this warm. I am going to start on my eyelashes. I've had these on for a total of 11 days now, and it's supposed to last 7 to 10 days, but I've neglected taking them off because of Malia. Looks like my eyes look like an alien eyes for whatever reason. I don't know why this camera is playing me like that. Probably because it's been too long since I've used her. But those of y'all wondering, this is the Clique, however you say this, Clique eyelashes. I actually started a subscription with this company because these are so good. I love them. This is the style Minx. Right now I have on the style Adore, which is my favorite one. So I have 2 books of Adore, which I've used these up. And then I also, this is the first pair that I got, which is Dolly P, but these are super duper, like, very dramatic to me. So I'm going to use their remover and apply this to my lashes to kind of get these loose and going, to make it easier to remove. You could use any remover, but I heard you could, but I'd rather use just what they suggest. But you really just like work this in to remove them properly. I'm also going to use this Neutrogena makeup remover balm and use a little bit of this to kind of also saturate the lashes, so it can be easier to slide right off. While that is saturating on my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and do an Olaplex treatment. All right, so let's start with the Mael water bottle just to get the hair kind of wet. To do the Olaplex real quick, this is just a pre-treatment on my hair, and I got time today, so I'm gonna do it. Alright, so while that sits in my hair, I'm going to go ahead and take some micellar water. This is the tart one, but I mean it does the same thing as all the other stuff. To the cotton round and just kind of pull on my lashes to see. Oh, they're already falling off. One cluster fell off, and the other one is I don't like, if it doesn't come off easily, I don't pull it off, but bam, it's off. And as you can see, I still have lashes. They're baby lashes, but I still have some. And I got some glue on there, so I'm going to get that in the shower when I go take a shower. So, lashes are off. Now I'm ready to do like a facial. I look bald-eyed. But it's fine. Bald-eyed. We're going to keep going. tried to film in the shower, but like camera kept fogging up, so I said screw it. Show you guys what I use in the shower. I use this honey wash from Pink, Victoria's Secrets. Got this, I think, Christmas Eve. I've been using this ever since. I love this. It smells so good. I use this face scrub after I finish taking my mask off. I did my face scrub and I did a body scrub, which is the same from the Pink Victoria's Secret brand. After I did my scrub, I went in a shave oil from Tree Hut, Tropical Glow. Love that stuff as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my whitening strips because it's been at least 30 minutes for it, and I want to come off. Always gotta rinse my mouth off after I take those strips off, but teeth are whiter. Now it's time for some skincare before I put on makeup. I'm going to use today, I'm gonna go with my Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is all I'm gonna use. I typically don't put a lot of skincare on before I put on makeup because I feel like I have layers and layers of stuff on. So I'm gonna just go in with this and a lip mask and then get started on this makeup. Sit under a hooded dryer so my hair can dry, and then blow dry it, stretch it. I'll show you guys all of that stuff. I have been rocking with this Lash sleeping mask for about a good 2 or 3 years, and this is my second one, third one. It lasts a really long time. I think it's like $20 for this little tube, but it lasts forever. I'm going to moisturize with this. This is the same, I guess, Tropical Glow that I use for the whipped body butter, which I like body butter, so I'm gonna see how this does. I have on this little wrap towel that I got from Amazon, and I love wearing this, but I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my body, and then we're gonna do some makeup. Hair is dripping, so I have this towel on trying to preserve it, but Mike is about to get ready to wax me. This is where I'm looking like on this side and on this side. I use the roll-on wax. Mama want to show y'all her makeup. She loves playing in makeup like her mommy. And so wait for Micah to get inside here, and he's gonna wax both sides. I did exfoliate, so this is a while, because I tried waxing myself. I didn't get all the hair, so Micah has to come in and do it correctly.
It burned you, Mommy? Mm-mm. So I don't burn.
It's not burning, it's just
Yeah, it's really hot, like burning.
It ain't that, it's pulling the hairs.
Mommy, what I say? Mommy, you look crazy.
Look at all his hair. Wow. I should be used to this, but it's still.
Sure.
Whoo!
Ooh.
Make it last longer. All waxed up. I'm good for another 3 to 4 weeks. Love wax. Some makeup. I'm going to go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow in number 4 to do my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna go in with the micro filling pen. This, I just kind of feather the front of my brows up with this, and I like this pen a lot. These two together gives like the most micro bladed eyebrow look. And I love setting my brows into place with this Got To Be glued, so I'm going to do that. Primer of the year goes to this e.l.f. Power Grip primer. This is the dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip primer, and I love it. So good. I literally just used 2 pumps for my whole face. And since I'm not going anywhere, I'm going to just use this Born This Way, Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This color is in chai, and it's too dark for me, so I always just mix it up with this LA Girl pigment stuff to kind of lighten it up a little bit. And I just put like a little dab in it, and I mix it and then apply it to my face. And you see, now it's a much better match. And I mean, I like the formula of this. It's just that I don't have time every time to always mix it and make it the right shade. So that's what I'm doing here. Pick this up so look, I have clothes on. I don't want to look naked on camera. And I'm just blending it out. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm really just putting on makeup to wash it all off. So I don't really care about the foundation that I wear today. Gonna go in with concealer under my eye. This is the LA Girl Fawn Concealer. Here, I just put it inside of this Maybelline Super Stay packaging because it's easier to spread out. I don't really care for the LA Girl packaging, so I just literally just squeeze it into here, and then apply it to my face. I got me a Stanley Club, y'all. TikTok told me I had to have one. I was not a TikTok guru until I had a Stanley Cup. Not really. I was just influenced to buy one because I've seen it all over my For You page and I feel like I had to have one. So I went and got one. I didn't get one for Christmas because I didn't tell anybody I wanted one. But I saw everybody got one for Christmas, so then I was just being a copycat and I went and got one. The influencer got influenced. Love that concealer. It always blends out so beautifully. I'm gonna try this new CoverGirl powder to set my under eye. I got this on Amazon because it was actually like $3 on clearance. So I was like, oh, I don't have a good drugstore setting powder. So for $3, I'm like, I'll try it out and see. The color is in translucent medium, and this is what it looks like. Very powdery. It's what it's supposed to do. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Now I'm gonna just set. Oh, this has a scent to it. A major scent. It smells like air spun powder. If you ever use air spun powder and it has that strong scent, that's what this reminds me of. The color is pretty. I'm gonna see, make sure it doesn't have flashback and doesn't like cake up on me when I take it all out, but for the most part it's setting into place very nicely. Set my eyelids. I was going to put my lashes on, but I don't know if I want to. I might do it tomorrow. I might just put some strip lashes on tonight because maybe give my eyelids a rest overnight maybe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So no lashes today. I'll probably do a video of me reapplying them on my TikTok. So make sure you follow me there. On every other platform that I have, all of them is all Adrianne MG all over. I'm using MAC Studio Fix powder in NC50 to set the rest of my face. I have been loving this Juvia's Place this ain't the bronzer, but I've been loving this Juvia's Place bronzer. It reminds me a whole lot of my favorite bronzer, which is the Fenty bronzer, and this is much cheaper than the Fenty one. It has like the red undertone that I like. So you see how pretty that is? And very, it's not too much. Some bronzers for dark skin be like too red or like too cool tone. It just look looking a hot mess, but this one is the perfect shade. And this one is in dark. They're a really simple eye look since I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to just apply that same bronzer into my eye sockets. This is like my everyday, like simple makeup look that I wear to work. Sometimes I don't even have the eyeshadow because I wear lashes now, lash extension. Pretty, just to kind of give my eyes some dimension and depth to it. And I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place, this pretty pink, like bubblegum pink blush, and just apply this to the highest parts of my cheeks. So pretty. So pretty. A little bit on the tip of my nose. Okay, so my camera decided to overheat on me. So what I did was I added this blue Juvia's Place liner to my waterline here. So I just added a blue liner, swap a little bit of bronzer underneath there, and I'm about to apply these lashes. Lashes, which are from Amazon, super pretty. My favorite eyelash glue is this eyelash glue from the hair store. How much is it? $4, $3.99. And y'all, the bottle lasts forever, but like your lashes don't go nowhere. There's no lifting, there's no nothing. So I'm going to apply the glue, and I have to cut it because it's way too long. The lash itself is like way too long to fit my eye, so I cut at the end of it the last two like clusters of hair. And since I haven't done a wing in a long time, I'm going to do a wing. The e.l.f. liquid liner, like $2. I don't know how much it is now with inflation, but it used to be like a $2 eyeliner. That works phenomenal. What I do my wing is that I just literally just draw a line at the top of my lids all the way across like that, and then I go in and I do a flick upward, flick, then I bring it back down, then I just fill it in. I like to use this little tool to apply my lashes with. Makes it a little bit easier. I look down when I put my lashes on, and I just line it up like that. I put it in the middle first, then the outer part, and then the inner part. I get so many comments about like how hard lashes are to put on, and they were hard for me, but like practice makes perfect every single time. But I like these because these look so just like fun, flirty. They almost look like lash extensions too. Okay, lashes are on. Now I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I'm going to do an inner corner. I like a bright inner corner, so I'm gonna go in with this Artist Couture in Illuminati. This is an old loose highlighter here, and I'm gonna take like a little small pointed brush like that and just apply this right to the inner corner highlight. I mean the inner corner of my eye. I did forget to contour my nose, so let's do that now. I'm going with the lighter shade of the palette and just kind of go down with it. And you see how it's already like shaping it all together there and shaping it all together on this side to give my nose this snatched effect. I don't even know where I got this brush from. I don't even know this brand. This probably came in one of my boxes, but I like to use it for nose contouring. This is a pretty simple makeup look, like super simple. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu spray. I am in love with the Charlotte Tilbury in one size. These two together are like a match made in heaven. Super good, but I feel like these two are good for the summer and spring and fall, not for the winter, because I find it's too drying. It keeps me too matte, if that's even a thing. But I'm gonna put this, oh, my lips. I'm gonna go in with this Buxom liner in Creamy Chocolate. Love this thing. Like, this is my new favorite. It used to be MAC Chestnut, but this has replaced it. And then I'm gonna use the Sephora Bubble Bath Lip Stain. So pretty. Set my face. So nice. I'm gonna sit under hooded dryer, dry my hair, and I'll be back. All right. I'm going to go ahead and my hair is dried. I'm going to go and stretch it and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the finished look of my hair, how it came out, hair and makeup. Malia's not feeling good, so I have her again. I use this Way serum in my hair. This is my first time buying it. However, I'm not in love with it. It makes my scalp feel like it's still wet after I just dried it. So I'm gonna have to keep using this and see how I like it. Quite expensive. I should love it on the first try. Use with this Curls Blueberry Bliss and then this glossy on top. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll check you out in my next video. Happy New Year!